Okay, let's just dive right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating update from the world of identity management, Linkspreed's new UID version 2.9.2. Now, at first glance, you might be thinking, oh great, another minor software update. But hold on, because this release completely flips how we view dark mode. We're no longer talking about a fresh coat of paint here. We are talking about fundamental, load-bearing infrastructure.
To really get why this is such a game changer, I want you to picture this scenario. It's 11:40 p.m. You're a sysadmin. The rest of the world is sound asleep, and you're finally getting a moment of peace to do some deep identity cleanup. Pruning orphaned accounts, merging duplicate records, the whole shebang. So you open your laptop in a pitch-black room, and bam! Your screen is just blindingly white. It completely wrecks your focus. Because, let's be real, identity work rarely happens at a convenient, perfectly sunlit hour. And this super common scenario really forces us to ask a critical question for all the nocturnal workers out there. During these late-night, high-stakes hours, is a bright white interface actually a neutral design choice, or is it literally a massive physical interruption? Well, the team at Linkspreed realized that setting white as the default theme wasn't just a stylistic preference, it was a literal barrier.
Which brings us to the data behind the dark, from what they called the night shift study.
See, to answer that question, the product team needed hard numbers, so they ran this 8-week internal usage study, and the results, honestly, staggering. 58% of all authentication events happen completely outside the user's standard 9 to 5 window. Just let that sink in for a second. The vast majority of work on this platform is happening after dark. Working at night isn't some weird edge case. It is the absolute norm for these users.
Digging even deeper into the timeline, they found something wild. The single busiest hour for bulk admin operations, like deprovisioning dormant accounts or archiving audit logs, hits right between 10 o'clock and 11 p.m. local time. That is the absolute peak window for this complex, detail-oriented work. And we are not talking about quick in-and-out logins here. The studies show that for these late-night cleanups, an average uninterrupted session runs for a solid 34 minutes. That's over half an hour of a user staring directly, without blinking, into whatever background color the app decides to throw at them. If that background is blasting white light in a dark room, the physical eye strain is intensely real. Just look at the contrast in these metrics. Night sessions are, on average, 41% longer than daytime ones. But the real kicker is that second metric. They trigger a 19% higher rate of corrective actions, meaning users are constantly hitting undo, navigating backward, or re-opening panels they just closed. This data proves that fatigue and low-contrast strain don't just make you physically uncomfortable. They actively make you slower and way less certain of what you're doing. And all of that strain leads us straight to what we're calling the flashbang problem. People were struggling so badly that 44% of them actually admitted to using OS-level screen dimmers, browser extensions, or basically any third-party forced dark hack they could find just to use UI comfortably. Essentially, the users were so desperate they built a dark mode themselves, just, poorly layered on top of the app without any official support.
And the web version? Oh man, that was the absolute weak link in this whole makeshift ecosystem. It led to some brutally honest feedback, like this gem from an incredibly frustrated user who said, "The app is dark, then I open a subpage in the browser and get flashbanged." Literally, flashbanged. Imagine that jarring transition. You think you're safe in a dark UI, you click a harmless link, and suddenly you're hit with this massive wall of pure white light. Unsurprisingly, that visual whiplash resulted in a totally dismal 2.6 out of 5 score for web theme satisfaction. That was literally the lowest single score recorded in the entire 8-week study. For the Linkspreed team, this was the painful wake-up call that proved they needed a fundamental change.
So, let's talk about how they build a truly legendary dark mode to fix this. The team pivoted entirely. They started treating dark mode as an absolutely crucial ergonomics decision, not just some cosmetic afterthought. Check out the stark visual difference in their design philosophy here. They threw out the old way, that milky haze of washed-out mid-grays that still creates a terrible bloom effect in low light. Instead, version 2.9.2 introduces a true zero-glare deep black foundation engineered specifically around the hex code at 0A0A0A. It delivers maximum contrast for text and genuinely unlit pixels on modern OLED screens. So, zero glare and hey, better battery life too. But listen, a legendary dark mode isn't just about nailing the perfect color. It's about not even having to ask for it.
This update features true system adaptive theming. That means it automatically syncs with your device's OS settings. If your computer is scheduled to go dark at 9 p.m., UID is already beautifully dark when you pop it open at 9:04. And the biggest win? This now fully covers the web version. You can seamlessly jump between the native app and your browser without any of that lighting whiplash.
To wipe out those frustrating bright corners and flashbangs for good, they meticulously harmonized every single surface across the platform. We're talking subpage backgrounds, massive navigation mega menus, mobile slidovers, and yep, even those stubborn legacy footers that almost always get ignored in updates. You will literally never experience a jarring tonal jump when navigating deeper into the app. And they didn't stop at just the UI panels. Alongside the theme, they standardized their brand logo into this unified neo-brutalist dynamic signature. Before this, older layouts had all these subtle, slightly different logo variations optimized for white backgrounds. By unifying the logo, they made sure it looks perfectly weighted, confident, and highly legible against deep black surfaces on literally every single device.
So all of this really drives home the idea that dark mode is infrastructure.
All these meticulous updates, from the exact hex codes to the unified logos, culminate in Linkspreed's core design philosophy for this release. Dark mode is infrastructure, not just a toggle switch. Building a partial dark mode just trains users to constantly brace themselves for the inevitable bright screen. But as you can see here, this was a massive, platform-wide sweep touching absolutely everything. Core system tokens, elevation models for depth, strict contrast ratios, updated icon sets, overlay scrims, focus rings. They even went back and recompiled older legacy components from 2 whole design generations ago just to guarantee absolute consistency.
Because the scope was so huge, their ultimate success metric wasn't just checking a box and saying, cool, we shipped dark mode. Their metric was a grueling, real-world test. Could an admin sit down, start a midnight account cleanup, navigate deep into subpages and legacy menus, successfully finish a 34-minute session, and never once feel the urge to hit their keyboard's brightness key? That was the standard.
And you know what? They actually achieved it. The team left a really great note for their users, specifically calling out the 44% who were forcing dark mode with clumsy browser extensions. They basically said, hey, thanks for the feature request, but you can go ahead and uninstall those workarounds now. UIID version 2.9.2 brings legendary dark mode. Your eyes are officially supported.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on regarding your own software stack. When the tools you rely on every day finally respect the reality of your work and physically adapt to your environment rather than fighting against it, how much more effective, accurate, and painless will your late-night workflows truly become? It is a brilliant example of empathy in engineering, and honestly, a standard we should absolutely be expecting from all of our enterprise tools. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive.